Working hard to make people happy is our first priority. Sharing the praise when someone takes the time to appreciate our efforts is a luxury. Here's what one person had to say. We feel great about a job well done, but we feel even better knowing someone took the time and care to write about their experience online and leave us a 5-star review. This is also one of our favorite reviews. Very inspiring. Let us help you with our excellent service, backed by our years of experience. Come and see us today. Thank you for dropping in today. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Contact us soon and let us give you the same amazing service.